Hello hackers, my name is Jaakko. I'm from Outotec, where we get more out of ore from hard rock to heavy metal. I'm here to introduce our first challenge called I Hear Voices in My Factory. There is a factory far away from Junction and from sunny Helsinki, and which is producing valuable metals. This is a complex process requiring raw power and high temperatures. Or as my colleague says, it's like playing with a mini volcano. To prevent damage for the people and the equipment, we have installed a series of microphones and motion sensors throughout the factory. With the audio and motion data and the failure events, can you predict the next failure and prevent that from occurring? Or maybe if you can find some smart way to visualize it or diagnose the existing data, that would be good as well. We do not know if there's a real answer for this challenge, so that's why we really appreciate any valid effort, any valid try to get some meaningful things out of this data. We will bring you audio files, motion data, failure events, and our expertise on the factory and the process. Please make this factory a safer place to work. All right, that's all folks. See you in November in Junction. See you.